Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful day here in Sutter County, California. We were just watching the news and the weather, possible 70 degrees today. Spring is right around the corner. I don't care what Punta Phil said, at least in California, it will be. Last night, I did my Vatican-style linguine special edition. Yummy. The butternut squash was a nice treat. It really fit in with everything else that I had in the dish. Try it. Good stuff. Tonight is a culinary expedition night, and we're headed to Austria. I'm not even attempting the German, but it basically translates to Styrian root meat. This is a pork dish. So let's get to it. Got some pork going on here. These are country ribs. It's supposed to be used in something else, but one of the things they said you could use was a pig's head. Not happening. So we got pork. A little bit of vinegar, whole black peppercorns, salt, of course, about half of an onion, some bay leaf. Now we got some root vegetables. It's supposed to be a yellow beet, but I can't find yellow beets here in Sutter County. So I got a red beet, a little bit of an older leek, carrot, celery, some horseradish as a garnish, and chives for a garnish as well. This all gets, the pork gets boiled with all these root vegetables. So yummy, yummy, yummy. And then you take half of the other root vegetables and you basically slice them thinly and you cook them, and it acts like a garnish as well. And I'll be serving that with some boiled baby red potatoes with butter and some other goodies. So the word I was trying to come up with a few seconds ago is a julienne, the French word. Means, cut really thin and small, yeah. All right. How to season food properly is finished. It'll be coming out sometime today. It just got finished compiling. So for those of you who asked, it's coming today. Look for it. I'll post it a few times. Yeah. So have a wonderful Thursday in this Sutter County weather. If you live here, if you live on the East Coast, I'm so sorry. Or other parts of the world. I'm not sure what your weather's like. So on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.